Unlock your full potential. Welcome to our video on the Pomodoro Technique and its comparison to other time management techniques. If you are looking to improve your productivity and work more efficiently, you may have heard of the Pomodoro Technique. But what is it? And how does it compare to other time management techniques? In this video, we'll explore the Pomodoro Technique, its key principles and benefits, and how it compares to other time management techniques, like time blocking, getting things done, GTD, and the Eisenhower Matrix. Whether you're new to time management, or you're looking for a new approach to improving your productivity, this video will provide you with valuable insights and comparisons to help you make an informed decision about the best time management technique for your needs. So if you're ready to learn more about the Pomodoro Technique and its comparison to other time management techniques, join us and let's get started. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It is based on the idea of using a timer to break down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. These intervals are known as pomodoros. The word pomodoro comes from Italian words tomato. Since the timer in kitchen is usually made in the form of tomato, this timer-based technique takes the tomato as its name accordingly. The Pomodoro Technique is designed to help people work more efficiently and effectively by focusing on a single task for a set amount of time, and then taking a short break to rest and recharge before starting the next task. The technique is based on the premise that frequent breaks can improve mental agility and reduce the impact of interruptions on focus and productivity. To use the Pomodoro Technique, you can follow these steps. 1. Choose a task to work on. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes, or other length of your choice. 3. Work on the task for the entire 25 minutes, without any distractions or interruptions. 4. When the timer goes off, take a short break, usually 5 to 10 minutes. 5. After 4 pomodoros, take a longer break, usually 20 to 30 minutes. 6. Repeat the process until the task is complete. The Pomodoro Technique can be a useful tool for anyone looking to improve their time management skills and work more efficiently. By focusing on a single task for a set amount of time, and then taking regular breaks to rest and recharge, you can improve your productivity and achieve more in less time. There are many different time management techniques that people can use to improve their productivity and work more efficiently. Here is a comparison of the Pomodoro Technique with a few other popular time management techniques. Pomodoro Technique versus time blocking. Both the Pomodoro Technique and time blocking involve breaking down work into specific intervals and focusing on a single task for a set amount of time. The main difference is that the Pomodoro Technique uses shorter intervals, 25 minutes, separated by short breaks, while time blocking involves longer intervals, usually 60 to 90 minutes, separated by longer breaks. Pomodoro Technique versus getting things done, GTD. The Pomodoro Technique and GTD are both designed to help people manage their time and tasks more effectively. The main difference is that the Pomodoro Technique is focused on using intervals of focused work, followed by breaks, while GTD is a comprehensive system for organizing and prioritizing tasks, with a focus on getting things done efficiently and effectively. Pomodoro Technique versus the Eisenhower Matrix. The Pomodoro Technique and the Eisenhower Matrix are both time management techniques that can help people prioritize tasks and work more efficiently. The main difference is that the Pomodoro technique is focused on using intervals of focused work, followed by breaks, while the Eisenhower Matrix is a decision-making tool that helps people prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. In conclusion, the Pomodoro technique is a useful time management tool that can help people work more efficiently and effectively by focusing on a single task for a set amount of time, and then taking regular breaks to rest and recharge. While it may not be the best fit for everyone, it can be a helpful tool for those looking to improve their productivity and manage their time more effectively. When comparing the Pomodoro technique to other time management techniques, like time blocking, getting things done, GTD, and the Eisenhower Matrix, it's important to consider your own needs and priorities, as well as the specific benefits and drawbacks of each technique. By understanding the key principles and benefits of each technique, you can choose the best time management approach for your needs and goals. Overall, the key to successful time management is to find a technique that works for you and helps you achieve your goals in an efficient and effective way. Whether you choose the Pomodoro technique or another time management approach, the most important thing is to find a system that helps you work smarter, not harder, and achieve more in less time. We hope this video has been helpful in providing insights and comparisons to help you choose the best time management technique for your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.